Hey everybody, so we just got done completing the install of the G2 Ergonomics Throttle Tamer on this 21 Yamaha WR450, and what we've noticed is to get all the throttle slop adjusted out, we pretty much had to take the cable adjuster to where there was almost no threads left. Well, I also ended up taking all the slop I could out of the throttle body here. There's not a whole lot there, but I took out what I could. So you can see with the slack adjuster about halfway through or in the middle, there is excessive slop in the cable. So I contacted customer service. They verified I had the correct model number of the throttle tube, and that's all correct. And I told them what I was experiencing. So just to rule everything out, I got about 1,000 miles on this bike. I went ahead and replaced the complete throttle cable assembly. After all that, it's the same results. After talking to G2 again, they apologized, said they sold thousands of these and there was nothing further that they could do to help me. So before you waste $70 on the throttle tamer, and or like I did, another $70 on a throttle cable assembly, do your research. They assured me I was the only one that ever had this issue. And after reading some reviews, a couple here and there, Rocky Mountain, I am not the only one experiencing this. So let me know your thoughts. Those of you that have installed them, let me know what you think. This is not a preferred riding style for me. I like the idea. I did ride it with the cable adjustment all the way out. It seems to be a quality throttle tube. Unfortunately, I can't get the slop out. I contacted Motion Pro regarding custom cable, but that's a couple $100, and they have a similar setup with a different cam. So you're better off just to go with their setup personally. But I will be going back to the original setup, I believe. We're going to be trying these ODI grips here next. We're going to be installing these. Eliminate this G2 throttle setup, so anybody with a WR450 or the YZ450Fs, if you're willing to try it or you don't mind this amount of slop in your throttle, leave me a message because I will have one available for free. You can have it. So here we just got rid of the old G2 throttle tamer that was on here. It's creating excessive slop in the slack adjuster here. It was pretty much using all of the threads. We went to the ODI clamp-on grips. Here you can see dramatic difference, the amount of slop in these throttle tubes. So this is going to be the first try with the ODI grips. They just clamp on right there. You can see the little socket head cap screw. No glue, just clamp on. Looks like some quality piece. Can't wait to ride it. As usual, stay in pocket.